Hey y'all, it's your girl Boulevard Fox. Today I am unboxing my bump box from Babylist. So I did my main registry on Babylist, the Babylist app, and they give you a bump box. I took a sneak peek. They give you a bump box once. I forgot the details. I'll put the details here on the screen. But once you create a registry and a certain amount of people start purchasing from the registry, you are gifted a bump box. So it is currently, what is it, May 2024, and I'm going to show you what can possibly be in your bump box. Babylist has been such a great tool for a registry so far. I love how you can link it to any website. You're not just confined to Target or Amazon items from any website on this little internet can be linked to Babylist, and it's great with tracking. You know exactly who bought what, when it got delivered, when it got shipped, all of that. So I'm definitely loving Babylist right now. So let's see what they gifted me in this box. First, hello baby, a cute little sticker, some tissue paper. Ooh. There is a good amount of items already. I'm gonna go through this quickly. The first is a simple pack of diapers. There's 2 diapers in here. Cute little seal on it. Another diaper, another 2 diapers, size 1, and then there's a little photo on the back of what they are. Okay, shout out. Got 4 diapers already for the stockpile. A pacifier. They're not cheap with the brands here. Bird and Bee postpartum capsules. Okay, a sample, and then it has actually a discount code on the back for your postpartum vitamins. Okay, lactation cookie for the breastfeeding mamas. Herobility bottle. Let's see what this looks like, because I don't know what kind of bottles I want yet. I know I do want glass bottles. This is the plastic one, but this is kind of cute. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like this nipple. I have no idea about bottle nipples, but this one, I haven't seen one be like this before. I don't know if you can tell. Okay. Little insert inside. I might check out this brand, see if they have some glass bottles, because I feel like I'm gonna prefer glass over plastic. But this is a nice, looks like it's a well constructed bottle, and the nipple was very unique. Let's see if my baby likes this one. Another bottle. Open this up. Okay, this is a plastic bottle as well. Look at different types of, I'm used to seeing like nipples like this, so this is very interesting. I might really do some research on this company, because I've never heard of it. So like, I don't know if you can tell the difference of the 2 nipples. And it's not just the nipple here, like the whole part. They might be trying to emulate like the breast. Let me show y'all. Get a little closer. Yes, you can kind of see. Very different kind of nipple. Newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash and body lotion. Oh, I am trying to be a toxic-free mama. So I will check the ingredients on this and see if we can use this for our baby. Let me know if y'all have tried this Noodle and Boo body wash and lotion. Tearless, extra gentle, dermatologist tested, hyperallergenic. Okay. I'm loving this little box so far. And it's a decent amount of stuff left. Some samples of some diaper cream, some breast milk storage bags. Love that for me. Definitely gonna use those. Ooh, like a little onesie. A little onesie and a coupon code. Let's open this up. This cute little unisex onesie. 0 to 3 months. Can't believe the baby's gonna be this tiny. It's so cute. Like little circles. I'll put that in the hamper. And you get 20% off small story items. Y'all want me, let me know if y'all want me to put these coupon codes in the description, because I'm sure they don't expire. How would they expire? Let me know and I will hook y'all up if y'all interested. Some Palmer's stretch mark oil and lotions. I can use this tonight, so we're gonna put that over there. Okay. Diaper rash paste, a nursing pad, and breast milk storage bags inside. So I will leave this actually closed up. Wellamint probiotic supplement. I don't know if this is for me or for baby. Okay, and got a little coupon code for this too. Oh, add me to your baby bottle for daily dose of probiotics. Interesting. I'll do some research on some baby probiotics and this brand to see if I'm interested in using this sample and possibly some more. But there's a coupon but there's a coupon code for this too. Cute. Ah! Look at this little hat. This is so cute. Shout out to my baby's auntie, who is a Delta. Got the elephants on here. It looks like I might have this is from Monica and Andy. Rainbow elephant hat. It looks like there might be a coupon code in here too. I'll open this later. You know, if y'all want these coupon codes, because I gotcha. Little Aquaphor baby. This might get one-time use. It's so small, but guess what? We appreciate it. We appreciate all the things. All of the things. Okay, a bib from Parker Baby Co. A little sample bib. This is cute, and it got the snaps in the back. And then at the bottom of the box, there's a bunch of more coupon codes. Oh, I love this for me. Thank you. Okay. It reminds you that you can get your breast pump through your health insurance. Definitely check that out. I got mine already. Let me know if you want me to do an unboxing of my breast pump, or if you want to know what breast pump I got to try out. I actually got a hospital grade breast pump with my insurance, so I picked up which one I wanted, and then I put a small kind of more portable breast pump on my Registry, and then I also put a wearable breast pump on my Registry. So hopefully I have 3 breast pumps before baby comes that will accommodate all my needs. But yes, I got some solid things from this Babylist baby box. So I definitely do recommend you do your Registry with Babylist. It's been super convenient and items have been just rolling in. So if you have any questions about Babylist, or if you would like to see my Registry, I can share it with you guys. Even though I'm a first-time mom, I did get some input from moms that I've known that had babies within the last 2 to 5 years. So I feel like mine is very solid. I think I have everything I need. So let me know if you're a new mama out there and you want to know what's on my registry. I can share it with you guys. But yes, shout out to Baby Liz. I feel so cute and special already. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.